Hello students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 14, Symmetry. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the concept and the exercise. So the topics which we have to cover is line of symmetry for regular polygons, rotational symmetry, then we are having the last topic, that is line symmetry and rotational symmetry. So first of all, I am going to tell you about symmetry. A figure has a line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide. Means if a figure is given to you, you have to divide a figure in such a way that when you coincide, overlap that figure, it should be divided into two halves equally. Okay, that is all about line symmetry. Then we are having polygons. Polygons are made up of line segment, and regular polygons are those polygons whose sides and angle are of equal measure. Okay, so this is all about line symmetry and the polygons. Now come to the exercise, that is 14.1. so almost every questions, most of the questions, you have to do it in your book only. Now come to question number 1. In question number 1, copy the figures which with punched hole and find the axis of the symmetry for the following figures. Okay, we have to draw an axis of symmetry in such a way that when we fold this paper, so that this punch hole, this and this two punch hole, they overlap or coincide with each other when we fold the paper. Okay, so question number 1, we have to do it in your book. Okay, so these are the two punch hole and you have to draw a line like this. Okay, now come to the next figure. In this figure, you have to draw a line like this so that when you fold this paper, so these two punch hole can join together, coincide together. Now come to the third figure. Third figure, you have to draw a line like this, line of symmetry. Then fourth figure, you have to draw like this. Fifth figure, you can draw. Okay, answer for question number 1. This is the first answer. You have to draw the line like this, the dotted line. So this is the axis of symmetry. Now come to question number 2. So in question number 2, what you have to do is give the line S of symmetry, find the other holes. Here you have to draw a punch hole. I'll tell you how to make this. This also you have to do it in your book. For this figure, you have to draw a punch hole like here, like this side. For this figure, you have to draw a punch hole like here. For this figure, you have to draw a punch hole here. For this figure, you have to draw a punch hole here. For this figure, you have to draw a punch hole here, so that when you fold the paper, all this punch hole get coincide with each other. Like this, you have to make a punch hole. This is the solution for question number 2. See, here it is a punch hole, here it's a punch hole, here it's a punch hole. Okay, in this way you have to draw a punch hole. So this is the solution for question number 2. Now come to question number 3. So in the following figures, the mirror line is given. It is given in a dotted line. It is given in a dotted line. Complete the each figure performing reflection in the dotted, that is mirror line. So what you have to do, this is the figure given. So you have to draw like this, the same distance. For this figure, you have to draw a triangle, this like this is circle, and this is octagon. Then this way you have to draw this figure. This question is also you have to do in book only. See the solution of this question. So this is the solution of question number 3. Okay, now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is homework for you. Just we have to find out whether the figure is having multiple line of symmetry or not. So I am just make you understand. First question, just for a rough, this is the first one, this line, and this line. So this figure is having a 3 line of symmetry. Same you have to draw for this one. This is also having 2 line of symmetry. So for this figure, we are having 3 line of symmetry. For this figure we are having 2 line of symmetry. This 4 line of symmetry. This is 1 line of symmetry. This is 4 line of symmetry. And for the last figure we are having 6 line of symmetry. So this line of symmetry you have to do it in your book only. So this question is homework for you. Most of the things I have given to you, just you have to draw the lines. Okay, hope this question is clear to you. So question number 4 is homework. Now come to question number 5. So question number 5, I am just giving the answer. So the question is, take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and shade and few more square to make the figure symmetric about a diagonal. Is there more than one way to do that? Will the figure be symmetric about both the diagonals? So the answer is, first you can shade it like this. So already it is shaded, so you have to shade this portion. Okay, and yes, there are more than one line of symmetry, BD. So here I have given the name, alphabetic order. So BD, EF and GH, 3 line of symmetry we are having. Okay, so this question also you have to do it in your book. Now come to question number 6. So question number 6 is also homework for you. That also with the dotted lines, and that also you have to do it in your book. So that I am not going to tell you. So do it. Just you have to draw patterns and dot with the dotted lines. You have to draw a line of symmetry. So question number 6, that is homework for you. You can do it by your own. Now come to question number 7. So in question number 7, few shapes are given to you: an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, a scalene triangle, a square, a rectangle, a rhombus, a parallelogram, a quadrilateral, a regular hexagon, or circle. So we have to find out how many lines of symmetry this figure having. Okay, just check it. So for an equilateral triangle we are having 3 line of symmetry. For isosceles triangle, see, in an equilateral triangle all 3 sides are equal. Okay, so 3 line of symmetry is there. An isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal, so only 1 line of symmetry. When we fold, after drawing the 1 line, it should divide into 2 equal parts. That is why an isosceles having a 1 line of symmetry. A scalene triangle, all sides are different. Due to this reason, there is no line of symmetry. A square having a 4 line of symmetry. We can divide the square into 4 equal parts. So in a rectangle, 2 line of symmetry, because of opposite sides are equal, only 2 line of symmetry is there. When we come to rhombus also we are having a 2 line of symmetry. Parallelogram, there is no line of symmetry, and for quadrilateral there is also no line of symmetry. Regular hexagon means, here the word regular came here because of this regular means this regular hexagon has 6 sides and all sides are equal. Okay, so regular hexagon having a 6 line of symmetry. If a hexagon having a 6 line of symmetry is asked, so that is wrong. Okay, only a regular hexagon having a 6 symmetry. So the word regular is very important here. Okay, and for circle, infinite, many line of symmetry we are having. Okay, now come to next question, that is question number 8. In question number 8, what are the letters of English alphabet have reflection symmetry? Okay, so the symmetry related to the mirror reflection. So vertically, vertical means when we place the mirror like this, vertical. So for A part, vertical means this way. Okay, we are placing the mirror like this, and for the B side, B part, that is horizontal, place the mirror like this. Okay, so the alphabets of vertical mirror reflection, that is A. For example, I am just drawing like this. A, when we draw this line of symmetry, it divides this alphabet into two equal parts. Okay, so this vertical line of symmetry, we are talking about vertical line of symmetry. So few alphabets you can learn it: A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. These are the alphabet which are having a vertical line of symmetry. So come to the B part, alphabet which are having a horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry means, suppose this is the B, we have to divide it into two equal parts by drawing like this. Okay, this is the horizontal line. So the alphabet, now come to the B part. So we have to draw a horizontal line of symmetry, and the alphabets are B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. Okay, when you divide, when you draw a line like this, this is the alphabet O. This line, or this horizontal line of symmetry, divides this O into two equal parts. Same way X also into two equal parts. Same way B also into two equal parts, right? Now come to question number C. So in C, you have to find out the alphabet which having both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. So these are the four alphabets: H, I, O, X. So X we can divide it like this, and X we can divide like this. So this is vertical and this is horizontal line of symmetry. So the alphabet H, I, O, X having both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Hope the question is clear to you. You can learn any 3 or 5 alphabets. So if the question is asked, you can write it. Okay, and for the last one only 4 alphabets are there, you can learn it. Now come to question number 9. So we have to find out, give 3 example of the shapes with no line of symmetry. Okay, no line of symmetry we have to find out. So first one is scalene triangle. All sides are different, so we are having no line of symmetry. Quadrilateral, no line of symmetry. Alphabet R also we can write it, or parallelogram also we can write it. Okay, so these are having a no line of symmetry. Now come to question number 10. So in question 10, what other name you can give for a line of a symmetry for an isosceles triangle? So for an isosceles triangle, so if you see these two sides are equal, only one line of symmetry that's joined from the vertex to the midpoint. Okay, center of this line. So we can say it is a median. Okay, so this is the median of an isosceles triangle. It's a line of symmetry that divides a line into two equal parts. Okay, and for circle we can say, I'm just drawing a circle. So this is the diameter which divides the circle into two equal parts, so the term is diameter. Hope it is clear to you. So all these questions you have to do it in your book only, So up to this exercise 14.1 we are going to do in this video. Next topic is rotational symmetry that we are going to do in the next video. Now the question is clear to you, and all the exercise you have to do it in your book. Okay, thank you.